Everybody, today is my Play Money collection. It is only 9 pesos and it is the cheapest toy in the world. And this comes with 34 pieces. I just opened this in the store, not here. Okay, let's stop first. I'm gonna show you all the bills. I have a new case here. So here are all the Philippine bills. Here is 1,000 pesos. 500 pesos, 200 pesos, 100 pesos, 50 pesos. And of course, the money that you always bring in school, 20 pesos. Here are all the bills. Play money. Before you have a Play Money with coins, before they sell coins and bills, Play Money, now they only sell bills. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and bye.